highway at 10 a.m. instead of midday. The Minister of Information and Communication Infrastructure on Wednesday toured the offices and studios of both arms of the national broadcaster. Minister Nana Gray Johnson was accompanied on the tour meant to arm him with first-hand information on situation of the vital installations by the GRTS Director General and a team of senior officials from the ministry. 30 legislators who sit on the National Assembly Public Accounts and Public Enterprises Committees have commenced a 2-day capacity enhancement effort. The training is expected to leave the participating National Assembly members better poised to effectively scrutinize the operations of public enterprises and bodies. The National Center for Arts and Culture is in the process of preparing a team of amateur filmmakers that can compete with other budding movie producers drawn from across the sub-regional economic bloc ECOWAS in Cote d'Ivoire. The disclosure was made by Sheikh Omar Jallo, Director, Literature, Performing and Fine Arts, National Center for Arts and Culture. Hundreds of mourners gathered in Talinding on Wednesday afternoon to pay their last respects to the late Sheikh Jibril Mahdi Kujabi. Colleagues described the death of the Muslim religious leader who died on Tuesday as a great loss to the Gambia. A delegation dispatched by His Excellency the President Sheikh Professor Alhaji Dr. Yahya AJJ Jammeh joined mourners paying tribute to the former top official of Talinding Islamic Institute. May his soul rest in peace. The next Operation Clean the Nation is slated for Saturday, 27 April 2013. Throughout the country, a news release from the National Environment Agency states that the initiative has had very positive impact on the health status of the general citizenry, and adds that many studies have confirmed that the main reason for the significant drop in malaria cases, as 40% in some places, can be mainly attributed to this initiative. The initiative, dubbed Operation Clean the Nation, the dispatch adds, targets the root causes of vector-borne diseases by eliminating the breeding grounds of the insects that spread such disease. The initiative, the dispatch argues, should therefore be supported wholeheartedly by all those residing in the Gambia, because the benefits are reaped by one and all. NEA reminds governors, CFOs and alcalos, ward councillors and government institutions of the strong presidential directives requiring all of them to organize and fully participate in the next nation cleanup exercise within their respective areas of jurisdiction throughout the country, the release concludes. And in news elsewhere, the sole surviving suspect in the Boston Marathon bombing could be moved out of hospital in the coming days. Johar Tassanev's condition has improved from serious to fair. He has been responding to questions from investigators, slowly revealing details about the Boston Marathon bombing. According to some accounts, the brother's radicalization may have roots in the United States. An 8-story building has collapsed on the outskirts of Bangladesh capital Dhaka. Rescue crews are working round the clock to find survivors under the huge rubble. Reports have said more than 70 people have died and hundreds others trapped into the collapsed garment factory. That's the news in summary. Thanks for the pleasure of your company, and do have a very blissful morning.